I am Paula Martin Burns, and I want to introduce you to a healing system called quantum energetic structured therapy. It differs from our traditional medical model in that we use no drugs, no surgery, and no electronic devices. It works with the energy system of the body. You might remember when you were a child, in our beginning classes, we learned about science. We used to sit on a chair at a desk, and the teacher would explain to us that that desk and that chair looks and feels solid to us, but it's actually made up of a lot of fast-moving molecules that we cannot see with our naked eye. And it is with this same principle that we work with the energy in the body. There is a system called Kirlian Photography that was discovered and developed by the Russians, in which you could actually capture the energy fields around every living organism. So, say for instance, you could see an energy around an oak leaf, and it's different from the energy around a maple leaf. And we each, as human beings, have an energy field around us that is specifically unique to us and us alone. So each person has that, and that is with the work that we do, is we work with that energy field. Quantum means how much. Energetics means movement. Structure means connecting one thing to another in an organized manner. And therapy means treatment. So we work in a specific way, a specific manner, in working with your body and its energy systems. What quantum energetics will do for you is it picks up things in the energy body that oftentimes are not recognized or not picked up by our medical profession with their electronics or with their modern technology. It picks up things in our energy systems before it ever shows up physically in the body oftentimes. And it's a whole system in which we can go from your body inside out, outside in, top to bottom, and see whatever is present in your body to be readdressed and brought back into optimal balance. There's a variety of examples that we could use. One of them being is I had an administrative nurse come to me who had suffered a stroke several years previously and was unable to speak. And when she came for her first session of quantum energetic structured therapy, she was able to speak within that first week of having the work begun on her. That made a huge difference in her life. There are other examples where somebody comes in with a backache, and we discover that there is a muscle pull, a ligament tear, or there is a vertebra that is out of alignment, and we are able, through the energy system, to realign that back and put it into its proper position. I had another example of where we pick up kidney stones, oftentimes before the medical profession even knows about it. And through the energy work that we do, it relaxes the kidney and the ureter to release the kidney stones without pain, without bleeding, and it makes a difference. I had a gentleman who had gone to the medical profession, had large kidney stones, had them broken up, and then they sat in his bladder for almost 2 months, and they would not come out. I did one session with doing the quantum energetics, and or QE for short, and we did the repair or the energetic repair. And I'm not a healer, I'm just a facilitator. I just picked those information up, and we were able to get the body to release those stones without bleeding and without pain. And when he was finished, he showed me the baggie that was covered in little tiny stones that had come out of him, and he was in a state of bliss and shock and surprise and delight for all of us.